Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to zoom a track in the Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can get started with creating our project. So what you want to do is go ahead and create a new project, and after creating it you'll be greeted by this menu right here where you can get started with adding all your medias. As you can see, here are my videos and tracks that I want to use. So here are my videos, and what I have done is go ahead and added them to my timeline right here. So what you want to do is drag your videos and tracks to your timeline right here, and they're going to appear as you can see right here. Now we can get started managing them. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started zooming in on our timeline. Basically guys, what we want to do is go ahead and click the edit button right here next to the cut menu. So go ahead and click on edit, and this is now going to open up this new edit menu where we have all the options that we need for editing our videos and our timeline. As you can see, here is going to be a slider. So guys, if we want to zoom in and out of our tracks, what we want to do is just go ahead and use this slider right here. So you can see this is going to enable us to zoom in and zoom out as much as we need to so that we can go ahead and get started with managing our videos. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.